I love my job with Communicare because I'm working with a great team of nurses, nurse managers and carers, and I also get to work with these children myself in the home care setting.
Well, I continue to work with Communicare because I know it's very kind of steady, and it's the same places that you get called to, and there's that continuity. It could be 3 months, it could be 4 months.
Well, I come to Communicare after a long service in the ambulance service. I was a qualified paramedic and an advanced paramedic. One of the main things that fulfills me working with Communicare is the positions and the variety of jobs that you can go to. At the moment, I'm working in Roscommon Hospital in the Department of Psychiatry. It's a nice environment to work in, and you can make a difference. You can see a difference. The continuity of care, of being in the environment, the client gets used to you. They build a rapport up with you. And the other staff, the clinical staff, and even the clinical psychiatrists, they rely on your feedback. You're a part of a multidisciplinary team, and the feedback that we give is critical and important to the continuity of care of the patient. Well, one of the main things that drew me to Communicare was their reputation, and they have a fabulous reputation out there amongst HCAs and nurses. It is family-led, and it is led by somebody who's worked in the environment. It's not just another commercial venture. We do make a difference. We know that the client is getting the best care that people can get.
If you want to be one of us, there is a good opportunity for you in your career. You can climb up in your ladder in terms of your nursing profession.
I've worked in the healthcare sector for possibly the last decade, and since coming to Communicare, I've realised how good a company can be. I feel that we're like one big family here working together, and when I drive home at the end of the day, I know I've made a difference to somebody's life.
The best thing about working for Communicare is that I'm back doing the work that I enjoyed so much, working with people, empowering people, and helping them get back some control in their lives, living well despite the limitations of illness. And it also allows me to be in touch with the service that I loved, the mental health services, and that's empowering for me as well.
I'd like you to come and join us here working in Communicare, because I think Communicare is a great company, it's a family business, and I love working here.
Communicare is a good place to work because they'd have the same mentality as myself when it comes to care. Somebody told me a long time ago that you should treat your patients like your loved ones, like a family member. I think that's the general theme that runs through Communicare and its workforce. They just want to help people, basically.
I think I would absolutely recommend my friends to come and join Communicare.
Working with Communicare has allowed me to be the carer that I wanted to be in the very beginning.